Class 7 Maths Chapter 3 Data Handling. In your previous classes, you have dealt with various types of data. You have learned to collect data, tabulate, and put it in the form of bar graphs. The collection, recordings, and presentation of data help us organize our experiences and draw inferences from them. In this chapter, we will take one more step towards learning how to do this. You will come across some more kinds of data and graphs. You have seen several kinds of data through newspaper, magazines, televisions, and other sources. You also know that all data give us some sort of information. What is data collection and organization? The information collected in the form of numbers is called data. Data is collected to obtain useful and insightful information about the material. Data needs to be organized in a proper table so that it becomes easy to understand and interpret. Before collecting data, we need to know what we would use it for. In this chapter, we will learn about range, how to find out range from the given data, how to find out arithmetic mean, median, and more from the given data. First, we will learn about range. What is range? The difference between the highest and lowest observations in a given data is called its range. Let's understand this through one example. Here few numbers are given: 4, 6, 9, 3 and 7. We have to find out range of the given data. In these numbers, the lowest value is 3 and the highest value is 9. So, range is 9 minus 3, that is 6. What is the range of this given data? That is 6. So, whenever you need to find out range, just find out the lowest value, that is smallest number from the given data, and the greatest number from the given data. Then find out the difference between greatest number and smallest number. You will get the range. Now let us learn about mean or arithmetic mean. What is arithmetic mean? Average is a number that represents or shows the central tendency of group of observation of data. Arithmetic mean is one of the representative value of data. The average or arithmetic mean or simply mean is defined as follows. Mean is equals to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. If data is given to us, observations are given to us, we have to add all the observation and then divide the sum of all the observation with number of observations. Let us understand this through one example. Ashish studies for 4 hours, 5 hours and 3 hours respectively on 3 consecutive days. How many hours does he study daily on an average? What is the formula to find out average or arithmetic mean? Total number of study hours divided by number of days for which he studied. He studied for 3 days. On the first day 4 hours, second day 5 hours and third day 3 hours. So 4 plus 5 plus 3 divided by 3. 4 plus 5 plus 3 equals to 12 divided by 3, that is 4 hours per day. Thus, we can say that Ashish studies for 4 hours daily on an average.